Good morning, dear children. Today, this practice session, we will learn about some of the topic of lesson 3, tools of word processor. They are editing a document, insertion point, word wrap feature, and selecting text. Let's move on to our first topic, that is editing a document. As I have already explained, editing a document means making changes in the document. Let's see. Suppose these are some of the words in this document which has spelling mistake and I want to correct it. Over here, like word, I'm correcting over here by using backspace key. Over here again a spelling mistake, I'm correcting. This editing a document, I'm making it bold and underline. So these are the things or changes we are doing. So this is what you're editing a document. Next comes your insertion point. As you see, it's blank over here. If I left click, remember left click from mouse at a point, what happens? Cursor blinks at that point. This indicates the position where the text type will appear in the document. This is the insertion point. The cursor is blinking here. This is the insertion point. If I press the enter key, the cursor comes to the next line. Now this is the insertion point. This is what the insertion point is, from where the text we type will appear in the document. Next comes the word wrap feature. Here you can see a sentence already written. Just want to say that as we type, we do not need to press enter key after each line. MS Word automatically takes the cursor to the next line. I'm typing further after reading. A very good morning to all of you present. PRESENT. You can notice the cursor automatically comes to the next line. I have not pressed the enter key. So this is what word wrap feature. Next comes selecting text. So there are 4 ways by which we can select the text. That is whole word, whole paragraph, several words or lines, entire document. So these are the 4 ways by which we can select the text. Now, how it is done, let's see. To edit a portion of the text, we need to first select it. How to select a word? Here, I want to select a word. Suppose document. Over here, document is a word. I want to select. Just what to do? Double left click within the word. The word document is selected. Just see. Let us try another word. Spelling. Just double left click. The word spelling is selected. This is how it is done. Next comes selecting a whole paragraph. How to select the whole paragraph? You can see this is one paragraph and this is another paragraph. How to select this whole paragraph? Just keep your cursor, this is my cursor, and triple left click. 1, 2, 3. See, the whole paragraph is selected. If you want to select another paragraph, 1, 2, 3. See, the second paragraph is selected. So this is how we can select the whole paragraph. Next comes how to select several words or lines. Let's see how to select several words or lines. Suppose you want to select this first line. Bring the cursor to the position and left click and drag your mouse in horizontal way. The first line is selected. Next, if you want to select two lines, how to select it? Just bring your cursor to the starting point, drag your mouse little slanting to the second end of line. The two lines are selected. So this is how you can drag, left click and select your lines, whichever you need. This is how you can select the paragraph just doing little slanting from your mouse, dragging little slanting from your mouse, and your several words and lines are selected. Now, how to select the entire document? For that, you have to go to editing group of Home tab and select all. The whole document will be selected. Document can be of 20 pages, 30 pages or maybe 100 pages. It will be selected. So if you want to deselect, just left click outside anywhere. The whole document will be deselected. So this is how you can deselect. Now, if you want to use the shortcut key from the keyboard, which is Ctrl plus A, just press Ctrl from your thumb and A key from your index finger. The whole document will be selected. So this is the shortcut key to select the whole document. Thank you.